Hello guys, today we're going to play limited times. The thing is really funny. Okay. Yeah. It was by Roblox 007. It was a really good game. Anyways, it just shows my time left. Yeah, because no one helped me, and I'm just gonna give people. I'm gonna stop talking. Oh, that's my brother account. Anyways, we're gonna give some people time. Wait, no, not you. You have too much already. I like giving people time. Well, I said no one, not you, because he has a lot of time already. But because maybe today I'll do it. No. That's his actual name, so I'm not actually trying to call him worst player. Good job. Here you go. Hey, more? Why do you want more, Noah? No, worst player. Wait, oh. Wait, what? That's your name. Wait. That doesn't make any sense. Why did I do it wrong? That's okay, let's stop giving. Let's stop giving him time. We gotta stop giving him time, guys. Oh, I have actually 4,060 billion. Is that cool? 4,060 billion. No, you have to come to me. Oh, miss. You miss. It's okay. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Oh, no. Time to retreat. You have to really catch me to catch me. Bro. Do you even see me? Oh! Oh, miss! Miss, bro! Oh, no! Miss! You have to actually touch me 4 times, bro. Okay, I guess I'll give it to you. No, that doesn't count. You can only touch me 1 time. And then after I give it to you, then you have to come. 3, 2, 1. No, you weren't. Like, I'm going to do this and getting out of this. You gotta chase me. Oh, I have 4 minutes left for this video. Oh, miss. Miss. Miss, bro. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. You gotta actually find me, bro. I'm under somewhere. I'm close, kind of, to you. I think. You have. It's okay, guys. Someone else said that. It's okay. It's someone else. Okay, Noah. Come on, you have to find me. I'm giving you 1 minute. So when it turns 13, then you will have. Okay, if it turns 13, I will give you time. So don't even try waiting. But I'll give you 1 time. You have to come. You have to actually come. Find me. Okay, I'll let you look at my screen, but you have to find me. Look everywhere, bro. There's a hidden staircase. I can't believe you didn't see it though. It's almost 13. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's okay. Here's time. It's okay. It doesn't matter, really. It's just that we're having fun, right? Okay, let's stop now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you. If you go on this building and then go here, I actually like helping people, you know, with the sign. Oh, and this is what happens if you have the cheeseburger. I'm turning the volume up. Yeah, that's what happened. Okay, let's go to the staircase, and then I'm gonna end this video with going to the staircase and showing you something. By the way, I forgot to tell you that there's a bank somewhere there, so where you can put money in it. I don't know what it really does, but you just put money in it. Okay, let's just hope we don't fall. Because these are big staircases. Got it. This is the like the moon or something. And when you go here and go in here, you can donate your time deposit in the ATM. I think. So I already donated this much seconds, and we're gonna do this amount. So maybe I'll help some people. 1, 2, 3. Get. Okay. Just one more time, and then we're gonna end this video. Okay, let's